Hey guys, today we'll be talking about uh, you know investors guide to buying in commercial property. So if you're an investor and you want to do investment in commercial property, then you are at the right place. So commercial real estate is the top many investors wish list, and for a good reason. It has proven to be lucrative endeavor time and again and time again. However, if you're buying commercial property, it's important to understand that increased reward can also mean increased responsibility. That's why it's crucial to mind your due to diligence and follow sound practices. As you might expect, commercial properties are a departure from traditional single family investment. From crunching numbers to raising capital, buying commercial real estate will require more out of an investor. So, that said, with the right dedication, you can learn how to take on more complex properties. The following video that you're watching will walk you through how to buy commercial real estate, and I hope it will get you started today. Help you get started today. So, first of all, let's talk about what exactly is commercial property. Commercial property is any real estate property that is specifically used for business purpose. Commercial property is defined as a building that houses businesses, land that has a primary purpose of generating profit, and residential rental property. Using a building as a commercial property affects financing on the property, tax treatment, and specified laws on the building. So commercial properties include malls, grocery stores, office buildings, manufacturing shop, and much more. Commercial property performances, including sale prices, new building rates, and occupancy rate, is often used to measure the for business activity in a given region or economy. For the United States as a whole, Moody provides the Moody or say commercial property prices indices CPPI, which measures the price change in commercial real estate across the country. So let's talk about types of commercial property. There are five different categories of commercial property that you can invest in. These include office spaces, industries, industrial, retail, hospitality, or multifamily property. So, commercial space can be further categorized by class A, B, or C. Office space or the higher end spaces that have been recently updated and are more competitively priced. So Class B spaces are less competitive and typically renovated after purchase. So Class C office spaces are much older buildings, typically over 20 years old, that need immediate maintenance. So industrial commercial real estates are either factory plants or warehouses used to manufacture and distribute product. On the other hand, retail commercial spaces are used for the selling of products and services. These can be malls, shopping centers, or stores. So, hospitality, commercial real estate includes hotels, motels, and even some forms of short-term rental. Finally, multifamily commercial real estate buildings are residential properties that include five or more dwelling units, such as apartment buildings and complexes. So, what's the difference between buying commercial property versus residential property? So, buying commercial property is commonly known as a worthwhile investment. Investment costs, including addition and customization for tenants, are significantly higher than the residential properties. In turn, the return on commercial properties are also significantly higher. So, commercial properties tend to have more straightforward pricing compared to residential property. You will not have to deal with factors as you would with buying residential property, such as emotional or physical personal attachment. Buying commercial property also opens you the triple net lease. Some of the risk will be dealt with by the leasing business. This is not available to real estate investors. So let me tell you simple steps how you can buy commercial property in sense that. So first of all, you need to identify your motivation for investing. So secondly, you need to evaluate different commercial property types. So then you have to lock down your financing. Then you have to build the right team for the job, and you have to identify a potential property in your market. So you have to run the numbers on the property, and make an offer, and close the deal. So buying commercial properties can be thought of similarly to purchasing traditional real estate, but on a bigger scale, investors will still need to conduct sufficient research and mine due to diligence, but there will be different in the numbers. Commercial properties often equate to higher property purchase prices, longer lease, and increased rental income. So to prepare for these differences, investors should ensure that they have the right system in place. Not surprisingly, you gain experience, you will become more comfortable in analyzing properties and landing deals. So, if you want to start purchasing commercial real estate, or you want a better idea what to expect, consider what most steps in the commercial real estate buying process. So, you have to ask yourself question: Why are you investing? So before you can even consider about buying commercial real estate, you need to ask yourself why you are doing this in the first place. There's no point in investing commercial assets if you don't know what you hope to accomplish, including of investing first and determining what you want later. Try identifying your why first and determine what you want to accomplish, and then search for the investment that can help you achieve that goal. So consider your investing option. Commercial real estate broad term can include everything from retail shops, industrial complexes, office building, large apartment building, and many other commercial real estate types. In other words, commercial real estate is a property used for business purpose. Therefore, it is in your best interest to determine which type of commercial real estate you want to deal in. To help you with your decision, remember why you are investing in the first place. So then you have to secure financing. Try to secure financing before you even start looking for a commercial real estate property to buy. That way you will not only know how much you can afford, but you will be able to facilitate a deal faster and more efficiently with money in hand. So you have to align with the right people. Real estate is a people business, and buying commercial estate is not an exception. You want to make sure you align your services with the right professionals. Consider hiring a commercial real estate agent that specializes in the type of transaction you have to complete with a commercial real estate attorney, well versed with the laws of commercial real estate, and even a certified personal accountant to make sure that the deal goes according to plan. So, guys, I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, uh, comment down below. And thank you so much for watching the video. Have a great day. Bye bye.